never noticed this before, but they got a whole bunch of mattresses here. So anybody that's moving into the villages here and didn't bring anything with them, the first thing you're gonna need is a mattress. Of course, a lot of people get an air mattress. They deal with that for a week or two before their stuff comes, but prices are really good here for mattresses. There's a Sealy right up there. Of course, that's a good brand. $4.99. Here's the bigger sets. 75-inch Vizio for $749.
You like the Vizio?
No, I don't.
No? I got 3 of them. I love them.
I had one after 2 years. Fell apart.
Really?
Yeah, that and the Toshiba. Now I buy nothing but Sony now. It's whatever you have, you're lucky with, right?
I guess so, yeah.
These are some good prices though, aren't they?
They are, I'm telling you.
Yeah, look at the big one over here. 85-inch over here for $1,300.
Yeah. What a difference between 75-inch and 70-inch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, I remember my first TV set. Remember those old ones in the wooden boxes?
Oh, yeah.
Man, I for a 4 model back then, I paid like $900 for the thing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And the pictures were terrible.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Okay, Samsung. There's $529 right now. I'm not too sure about Samsung brand, but for $529, I think it's a pretty good deal. It's a very good deal. Like LG for $479. Again, now these are all 65-inch TV sets over here. I'll pan to the right. They got plenty in stock. Apparently all these are coming in on the container ships in China or Japan, and at least these are getting through. Again, they're all smart TV sets. And you can see they got lots of them in stock here. Okay, let's go check out some more stuff right around the corner. A lot of people in the villages have these Fitbits on. Here's your price right here, $109, and also $99. There's your Samsung Galaxy tablet, $189. I'm not familiar with the Garmin, but there's the price right there, $79. And you got a nice HP laptop here for $59. All right, just check these out here. This looks like a lot of Vizio over here. I was just talking to that gentleman. I told him I'm not really a big fan of Vizio. I had a set lasted 2 years, and that's all it takes. And then your feelings of that particular brand go south. All right, here you go, Sony right here. Beautiful set for $849. Looks like the one that we've got. You can usually tell by the stand legs. The legs on the TV set usually give away the brand. I don't know if people know that.